Look at this guy. This is a night heron. We have all these nests over here. We're at Ocean City Welcome Center. Ibises creating great nests.
Oh, look at the little ibis.
There's a
Baby ibis is flying.
Ooh,
Babe, you
look at
missed
him. It just came up.
You missed it.
It's so cool here.
We really gotta bring my mom here. Oh my god, look at her. She's got 2 eggs.
Oh, look at it. 2 eggs.
She's rolling them. See, I told you they roll them every so often.
Right.
Oh, that was cool. Look, I got her with the egg.
That's alright, I got it on video. Yep. There's one.
Baby ibis. Oh, you missed the baby ibis.
Alright. See you later, guys. Oh, look at you.
What are you talking about?
Another night heron.
Oh.
They are so cool. Love it. Love it. Work it. Yeah. Turn to the left. Thank you. I think this night heron wants to come home with me. This one right here. Yeah. Yeah? You want to come home? They're so cool. There's more night herons. And more bodies. I wish that they would bark for you, but they're not going to. Alright, see ya. Look at him standing tall. Hi. Hi, dude. You're very cool. Yes, you are. Alright, want to go to see some geese babies. Look at the babies in the silhouette. Look at them. Look like they're maybe a couple days old. Yeah. Good job, Mom and Daddy.
You put it in the water, he gets out.
Ibis has got babies. Got babies.
Yeah, right there. She's got a little mess. But she's got like 4 of them in there.